So let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do, which I assume most of you have already done, is create an account to actually use ChatGPT. So feel free to skip this if you already have an account, but if you don't, you can go to the OpenAI website, which is openai.com, and then you can click Try ChatGPT, and it will prompt you to create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you do have one. One annoying thing about making an account is that it has to be linked to a verified phone number, which is fine. I think most of us have at least one phone number we can use, but if you ever need to make a second account, you cannot reuse your phone number, or you can, but it will complain and it won't give you any free credits if you ever want to use the APIs. So it's not a big deal. If you're a teacher and making a bunch of accounts to make different courses, like me, it can be a little annoying, but you usually just want one account anyway. So you'll put in your email address, you'll put in your phone number, and when that's done, it should hopefully redirect you to chat.openai.com, which looks like this. You can also just go to chat.openai.com, or even just Google search ChatGPT, and the top link will take you here. So this is what it looks like for me. I've turned on the dark theme, which we can cover if you want to talk about theming. It's very simple. There's just a dark and a light theme. But one important distinction here is that I pay for ChatGPT Plus, which is not a requirement for this course. And very soon we'll talk about if it's worth it, what you get for paying for ChatGPT Plus. But if you don't pay for it, your page will look a little bit different. You're not going to see ChatGPT Plus, and you won't see a choice up here between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. But other than that, you should see a very similar interface. You can write new chats, and that's all that really matters to get started. Okay, so hopefully you have an account, and if you don't have one yet, sign up. It's very simple. Put in your phone number, your email, make a password, and head to chat.openai.com.